hard truth number 4 is this: multiples have increased and you will pay more money for a laundromat than you would have 2 years ago. That's just the reality of the situation. I've seen multiples shift up a half to 3/4 of a multiple in the last 18 to 24 months. Okay. So multiples are up, and that whole average of 3.5 to 5, I'm seeing more like 4.5 to 5.5 right now. Adjust expectations accordingly. And again, listen, it's all about the math, right? The multiple only matters as far as the math. Right. And if the math still plays out and you're still getting the return on your investment that you want to get, and you're still able to hit that threshold that you want to hit, the multiple is just one variable of the equation. Okay. But that's not the opportunity I want to talk about here. The opportunity here is actually much more intriguing to me. And it's something that I'm pretty confident about. Obviously, it can go either way, but I'm pretty confident that multiples will continue to increase as we go forward. I think that we're just starting to see multiples increase, and that as technology and automation take more hold of this industry and allow us to manage our laundromats with more data and allow us to manage multiple locations easier. I think that those multiples will continue to increase. And as more sophisticated investors and owners like you guys are coming into this business and bringing some professionalism to our industry, I think that also is only going to increase our multiples going forward. So yes, multiples are higher than I've ever seen them before, but I think it's a pretty safe bet those multiples will continue to increase. The other opportunity I wanted to mention in this scenario too is those of you who invest the time, effort, energy in learning creative financing, and going back to number 1, persevere in finding the right deals. That's a huge opportunity right now too. So being able to assume loans maybe that people took out before interest rates went up so that you can take over their low interest rate loan payments. Things like that, seller financing, obviously private money. There's lots of different ways to utilize creative financing in order to make deals work. So number 1, multiples are up, but take heart. I think they're going to continue to go up. So I don't think you're going to lose equity by buying at a higher multiple and then seeing those multiples drop later. I think they're going to minimum stay the same, but I'm pretty confident they're going to continue to go up. And number 2, if you can utilize creative financing on the right deal, you can get some smoking deals there. And the multiple, again, may or may not matter all that much if you can structure the deal correctly.